Do you see those? Less than, greater than, and double greater than. Those are the key to line-by-line access to text files. Look at this command. Echo, this is the first line, and then redirect it, the output of echo, to this text file. What this will do is it will either create the file test.txt and add this line to it, or if the file test.txt already exists, it will overwrite it with the same thing. The same thing being this is the first line. Alright, so let's run it, and then let's see what's in there. Okay, just as expected, it put this sentence in, and then put a carriage return. That's why our prompt is down here. If you want to get rid of any text that's in that file, just do, and by the way, this is called output redirection. So redirect the output of nothing to the file. Like this. Okay, now if we look inside it, there's nothing. Okay, cat test.txt. There's nothing in there. Let's put something in there. We're going to put this in there. Let's make sure it's there. Yup, it's there. Let's put something else in there. Okay, but I don't want to delete what was in there already, so you put double greater than sign. Okay, let's go check to see if that's true. Yep, it is true. Now I'm going to show you how to read a file line by line using a while loop. This while loop will use a file as its input. Okay, we have a counter, J. The while loop is running a read command, and it reads into the variable line of text. This whole loop gets its input from test.txt. And in each iteration, we're echoing out the counter and the line of text that was read from the file. Here we're incrementing. Let's see how it works. I'm going to run it. Remember, our text file had 2 lines in it. Okay, the counter, I started the counting at 3. So we have line 3 and 4. Let's go take a look again. Yes, first time it's 3. So now you know how to take input for a loop from a text file. And let me show you an example of input redirection from a file to a command. Okay, this is the simplest example that everybody uses. I won't show an example of this, but there are commands which take instructions, line-by-line instructions. If you have a command that takes line-by-line instructions, you can get those lines from a text file using the less than sign for input redirection from a file. The commands that take instructions usually take the instructions from the keyboard, and the instruction is over when the user hits Enter key.